Gonna show you how you can deactivate your Twitter account. Go ahead and click on it. Let's do this right now. Come up and click on our profile picture. Once you click on our profile picture, we're going to scroll down to settings and support. Just raise it up, then scroll up again, then settings and privacy. Click on it again. Settings and privacy, click on your account. This is right here, click on it, then come all the way down to deactivate account. Click on that. I do advise you go through this information right here, but let me give you a short version. Once you deactivate your account, your username will no longer appear on twitter.com or Twitter on Android, and you have 30 days to reactivate your account. And if you want to use the email attached or the username attached to this Twitter account you're about to deactivate, you need to change them. If you have planned reusing the name again, that's the username and the email. If you have planned reusing it again, I do advise you change them now to something else. So after we have done, let's come down and click on deactivate. To complete the process, you need to type in your password right here. If you've forgotten your password, you can go back and change it. Like, just click on forgotten password, go through the process. After that, come back here and type it in. So after typing in your password, you click yes. So after clicking on yes, deactivate, we just wait for it, and this is it. Your account is deactivated. So just click on got it, and that is it. So that is how you can deactivate your Twitter account. That's the process. Check out this video over here and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.